That was a little aggressive, don't you think so? You didn't have to do all that, okay? Ooh, those chickens. What was that? Oh, I know Baby Rooster ain't trying to get his crow in. I know. He ain't. Y'all gotta come down to the farm, honey. I promise you. 7. Did you hear? He's trying to crow. Listen, hey, sir. Excuse me. That's Cluck Norris. No, wait, that's not even Cluck Norris. That's the other Baby Rooster up on. Baby Rooster. They're just crawling back and forth to each other. I gotta find these guys their own situation. They got to go. They're freezer camp. It's just all there is left. Honey. They are getting way too excited about breeding. I'm telling you what, 8 a.m. in the morning, this front porch, I'm just a very happy lady. Here comes my young, and I can hear him. He sounds like a herd of buffalo. Is that Funky Toes? Is that Crazy Toes coming down the hill? Y'all gotta see this rooster feet. Hey, wait a minute now. Okay. Well, good morning, doggies. Get down now. Don't you get up on me. Hello, Jukey Juke. Good morning, Jukey Bookie. You gotta go pee-pee? You gotta go TT? Man, your young roosters are starting to crow. Did you hear them? No, that's not. That's the Baney rooster. Son, you had to go, didn't you? Nobody's gonna see you.
I will put my pants on.
Okay, that'd be a good idea. My son comes out here every morning, pays off his front porch. And while I do understand and know that that is probably not, I don't know. But I mean, it it is what it is, We live in the woods. You can't see, nobody can see him. So he likes to pee off porch. Anything does too. I wish I could just pee off the porch. Be nice. Not me, I don't get to that. I don't get to do that. Oh goodness. I know it freaks a lot of y'all out. But them things are growing like crazy. I bought 3 little chickens. Show you. I ain't going to, because yesterday everybody's picking on me about my driveway. We still ain't picked up the buckets or the pool floats. I ain't going to show you my new little chickens. But anyway, I will tell you. I will tell you that I bought these 3 little chickens when I bought the new goat hut for $75. I bought this really nice goat hut. I haven't showed y'all yet. But they were moving, and they were like leaving the next day, and she's like, do you want to buy some chickens? And I'm like, I don't know what kind of chickens. Girl, let's me and you get over here and talk a minute. Because if I mention anything about buying any more chickens, I'm probably maybe going to get divorced from my husband. He's not a fan. I don't know why. I'm like, this is literally better than TV out here. But anyway, she's like, okay. So she starts showing me like this one. And they're little chickens, like what you would call a pullet. So fully feathered out, but just a smaller chicken. Not ready to lay eggs, but getting to the point where it's like going to be close. And they were pretty. And I was like, how much? Now keep in mind the going rate for a laying hen is like $30 right now. Cool outfit, love it. Looks good. Has your daddy up?
No.
Yeah, he's gonna have to come on.
Bob, can I have fun today?
Yes, we have to go get Mommy's car and get the tire fixed.
And then we got to...
Yes, you and Daddy, look, come here. You and Daddy are going to go watch the movie today. You're going to go out to eat. You're going to go have fun. It's a daddy Sunday. Now listen, it's raining. So I don't really think you should be out in the yard. Like, what are you going? Why don't you go check for eggs for Mommy?
And tomorrow's Saturday.
Tomorrow's Saturday, Mama's house. Go get me some eggs, baby. Don't break them. Anyway, on a side note, so we were out last night in my Yukon, and it started rapidly losing tire pressure in one of the front tires, and so we left it at the tire shop. There's a lot of that story that I had to leave out due to TMI, but long story short, I left my car at the tire shop, and I left it at Tire Discounters, and I have road hazard. There's a screw, and then I got out and looked, and there is a screw in one of my front tires, and it's letting air out of the tire, and so I have road hazard protection, thank God, on my tires. So what? Just one? Just one egg. It's probably too early. They'll lay some more. Or Buttermilk got them last night. Or Buttermilk ate them last night. Buttermilk, did you eat my eggs? Sir. Go put it in there in the bowl, baby. It's a good looking egg.
No, it's not.
Take it in there now. I'll clean it off. It's okay. Anyways, so now this morning we have to go down to the tire shop, Tire Discounters, and I have to show them my paperwork where I purchased the road hazard protection, and hopefully they'll either repair or replace my tire. Where the screw is really close to the sidewall, I think they'll have to replace my tire, but either way. Hey, you two, Nell. So anyways.
That was me screaming.
What were you screaming about?
Dad.
Yeah, go in there and get him up and tell him that we gotta go.
Why?
We have to go get my car. And we gotta go to breakfast. You wanna go to breakfast?
No.
You want me to make breakfast?
No?
You don't want me to make breakfast?
No.
You not hungry?
Oh, no. I'm going to the popcorn.
You're going to the popcorn?
Mm-hmm.
Movies. Well, it'll be a little while before we go to the popcorn.
Why?
Because they don't open till like 11, 12 o'clock. And it's just now like 8 o'clock in the morning-ish. Anyways, guys. Is there an egg in there?
No.
Well, there was a hen in there this morning. I don't know why she didn't lay an egg. She's probably just resting.
Now I see I found the goats.
Oh, the chicken story. Sorry. So anyways, she's like, I said, well, how much? Shh, girl, shh. How much you want for these chickens? She goes, I really need to get rid of them because we're moving tomorrow morning. And I can't take them with me. I said, okay, if they're cheap enough, girl. If they're cheap enough, right now, we'll do this. She's like, $5 a piece. I said, girl, sold. And I slid her $15, and I became responsible for 3 more chickens. And these little suckers are growing like crazy. I don't know if we just have extra food here or what, but they are growing. Kathy, girl, I mean, when I said go out for breakfast, I meant like, because since we have to go to town, like McDonald's drive-through, like a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit, girl. Don't, you're doing too much now. Calm down. It's okay. Our current budget should be able to handle a McDonald's drive-through. Good Lord. I'm sorry I'm not Caroline Ingalls out here this morning stoking up a fire and frying my own eggs, okay? I'm tired. Lord have mercy. This is what kills me, like every dollar. Juke, what are you doing? I know what you're doing. You're looking for an egg. Ain't none over. Ain't none there, baby. Hey, sorry. I know you love your eggs. This dog. Listen, as a matter of fact, we don't really have that many eggs anymore. You know why? Juki eats them all. She's an egg-sucking mutt. I love her. Tina, honey, I'm telling you, I have never in my life met or encountered such strange people. Yeah, Penny, it is, it's doing something. It's raining. It was thunder a little bit earlier. So, good morning, Dale. What's he doing back there? David! Hey, buddy. Mm-hmm. Look at your feet now. You're going to get muddy. I need you to stay up here.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Anyway, I gotta get off here, but I'll be back. Easy. Don't let dogs' feet are muddy. No. No.
I'm going fast. I have to go fast.
Oh, Lord. All right, guys. I'll see you in a little while. I made up a turkey mites. I don't know where I got in them at, but I'm all over. They're under my arm. Like, I've got bites under my arm right here. I've got bites all up both sides of my legs. It's just bad. So, anyway. Oh, Beverly, I'm so jealous. I've got such a hankering to go to Gatlinburg right now. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I have such I just want to go there so bad. But every free penny we have right now, besides McDonald's drive-thru, sorry, most of our extra money right now, all of it is going into this house. Winter is coming fast. It'll be here before we know it. And I'm trying to get some stuff done. Anyway, and that's why I'm on here this morning, because this helps. Every view, every click, every comment, every share, all that. It just all helps us get more things done here at our house. So, hey, don't be giving him no grain yet. I gotta go, guys. I love you. Bye.